Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for liking, viewing, and commenting on our videos. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Today we've got Wendy's. It's not just like, the regular like quadruple or triple. We got 5 patties. I don't even know what to call that anymore.
Cinco patty? No, cinco. Quat? No, I don't know anymore. Just 5 patties.
We got some spicy mayo here and some chicken nuggets because we just eat a lot. So, also, don't forget to leave a like. We love likes. Thank you.
Chill down time.
5
5 patties.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
I can't. It's falling
I'm
apart.
so excited. Okay.
Oh my god. Your feet.
You're always playing footsies with me. Again, wrong gender.
Wrong gender.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Another bite. I haven't even touched the top of it. I'm only eating the patty and the bottom. I haven't hit this button.
Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. But I can't dip.
I know, I really want it too.
I might use the chicken nuggets for it.
I want it. Oh my god.
Oh my
Where? Oh my god.
I forgot about that. You okay?
My burger just falling apart.
Oh.
I don't care about my mouth, it's my burger. Alright. Oh, very sexy.
Oh my. It's like spun around. I might not be getting any of this. Oh my gosh.
Watch out, it got messy for me.
Oh.
Also got their nuggets.
So good.
Ooh, oh, there goes my burger.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh no! It's falling apart. You burger. Who told you you could do that?
There's just like cheese stuck to this wrapper.
Oh, messy that is.
I love it. Another dunk. So good.
I'm just gonna place it there. It's already flopped over.
Yeah. Oh, my bread is breaking.
Mine already broke. The top of the bottom piece.
I don't know.
Piece, right?
I don't know. I think it's top. Yeah. Chicken has a plum sauce.
Oh, I dropped something in there. Tomato. Onion. Such a Who likes that?
Yeah. Oh. It's so dirty too. It's like.
Oh man.
So good.
Alright. Another bite.
Oh. What are you gonna dunk today or right now?
Today, I'm gonna dunk in the ketchup mayo.
Oh I'm gonna dunk in spicy mayo. Dunk. Oh. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh.
That's a very nice one. Oh my god. Okay, I thought mine was bad. Okay, I'm good. I feel better now. That was a very messy burger.
But it's so good. It's about taste.
Oh, trust me, yeah. It's all about taste.
Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh. Mm. Dunkin' ketchup.
That was so good.
Oh. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Mm. Oh.
I don't even. So much cheese everywhere. Mm. Mm. It's like every patty had a cheese.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I don't know, but whatever.
You don't know? Yep.
I don't know what's going on with this burger, but oh. Mm. Maybe I'll try to fix it. There's no fixing it, right?
There's no fixing a messy burger.
No. I will add my lettuce back though. Oh!
Oh my god. What happened?
The lettuce just, or the bread just fell apart.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm on a spicy mayo now.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
My burger's a goner. Look at that.
Oh my god!
Trying to repair it.
Would you call this a fail?
No, I don't know. For us,
Oh, I think it's really good.
I don't know. It's good. I don't think it's a fail. It's just a very messy burger, like you say.
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna chase it with the bread because it's just falling apart. You know what? I'll just do that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna dunk it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, bread. Oh.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take my bread off and eat everything around the bread. I love a good onion.
Mmm.
Okay, pickles.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, my pickles.
Mm.
Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
5 patties on.
Mm-hmm. So good.
Mm-hmm. Take a bite. Mm. Oh, there goes the patty. Mother. Two. Mm.
Mm. Mm. Ugh, why am I dipping in the plum sauce?
You're holding down your burger?
Yeah.
So it doesn't come apart even more at what it is. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Bites.
don't know what to put onions. Just stuff it in there.
Just put it somewhere.
Oh. Just put it somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Ready? Oh no! Oh no! Mm. 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 Oh, so good. Mm. Mm. Okay. Good.
I have 2 more bites on this one. So good. Oh.
Look at that look. Just a look of very satisfied.
Mm. Mm. That's right.
Final bite? Which sauce?
I'm going to dunk in spicy mayo.
Ketchup mayo. I'm gonna drown it though because I love ketchup mayo.
Should we cheers or should we not cheers?
You said no? Okay.
No cheers.
Okay, final bite. Oh god.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Hope everyone enjoyed everything with our 5 patties. It was very yummy for us, very messy, okay? If you like the messy burger, drop a like down there. Make sure you subscribe and see you next time. Bye.